Hey everyone, Sean with Families Creating Financial Freedom. Hope everyone's having a great day and currently a great tax season. As I film this video, it is March 2023, and so people should be gearing up, if you haven't already, to file your taxes for 2022. Well, I've had a few follow-up questions around a video that I did a few months back on health savings accounts. And so I thought I'd do another one just to make sure that you didn't miss this opportunity prior to you filing taxes. So if you don't already know what a health savings account, or HSA as the abbreviated term is, first let me tell you, to be eligible, every year you have to be in what is classified as a high deductible health plan. You would know if you are in a high deductible health plan because when you sign up for it, it tells you whether you're getting it on the marketplace from the government or direct for a health insurance agency or through your work. If you still don't know, call your HR department and ask them, or log back in to the marketplace or call the insurance company that you get your health insurance through and ask them, is this classified as a high deductible health plan? A lot of people don't take advantage of a high deductible health plan because the fact that you have to pay 100% out of pocket until you reach your deductible, which can be high, understandably for the term, scares them. But the reality is most of us out here only go to the doctor once a year, if that. You should go once a year for your annual checkup. And federal rules require that for preventative services, all healthcare plans pay 100% of that visit. So if you go once a year for a checkup, that's covered by your health insurance and doesn't even tie into you having to pay anything towards your deductible. But it can greatly reduce your premiums on your health insurance to be in a high deductible plan because the early risk is on you before the health insurance has to then be responsible for contributing to paying the bill. That's why it saves on the premiums. But let's say that the difference in your monthly premiums to be in a high deductible plan is $200, $300, $500 a month, maybe more if it's a family plan. Yes, that's right. If you haven't compared, it can be a huge savings in your monthly bill. Well, I suggest if you do that you then in turn open up a health savings account. I propose you do it directly. You don't have to do it through your employer, but do it directly and then make monthly contributions to that health savings plan. What's the benefits of a health savings plan? Well, in 2022, as an individual, you could put $3,650 into a health savings plan, or $7,300 for a family, a couple, a family with kids, whatever, that qualifies for the $7,300. Deduct it from your taxes and then utilize it immediately to pay for your out-of-pocket healthcare expenses. Prescriptions, if you in turn go to the doctor for a cold, the flu, if you have kids and something happens, I know when we had kids at home, they were forever going to the doctor. And a health savings account allows you to pay for those medical expenses with essentially pre-tax dollars. So you're saving the difference on paying that bill that you would be paying in taxes and paying with after-tax dollars without a health savings account. So the having and utilizing a health savings account to make contributions, deduct it from your taxes, and then pay for any out-of-pocket expenses is a no-brainer. You need to take advantage of it. The other point is, when you talk about utilizing and IRA, individual retirement account, a 401k, anything like that, you do get to deduct that from your taxes, but you are putting off accessing that money until you're after 59 and a half, and it's earmarked for retirement. With a health savings account, you're putting it in there, deducting your taxes, but you have immediate access to that as a resource for any health expenses that are out of pocket. So you're not having to put it in there and essentially forget about it for an unknown number of years. You're able to use it right away. The other advantage of a health savings account is, unlike a flexible spending account, which many employers offer, a health savings account, that contribution, if you don't use it, you don't lose it. It will roll over every year and continue to build. A lot of health savings accounts allow you, when you've exceeded a certain amount in the account, to roll it into an investment and earn some growth opportunity on the investment. And so there's a lot of advantages to a health savings account. You can grow that money. You can continually add to it without fear of losing it. And then when you reach retirement age, you can use that to pay, because let's be honest, as you get older, it's likely that your health costs will go up, because as we age in place, we tend to have new medical things come up. And so that account growing helps reduce what you might need to spend out of pocket when you're older and retired on your healthcare expenses, whether that is spending on a Medicare supplement that offsets some costs, or prescription plans, or whatever the unknown is in retirement. You can be contributing now to reduce your healthcare costs today, your taxes today, and again contributing to savings in the future when you retire. A health savings account is nothing but a win-win-win for you. So don't lose the opportunity. So again, for 2022, you can contribute up to the max of $3,650 as an individual, or $7,300 for 2022, and you have until when you actually file your taxes to contribute. If you've already filed your taxes, I'm sorry you missed your opportunity, but don't delay. Open one up for 2023, and then I recommend monthly systematic contributions to that. It's a whole lot easier to give them a little bit every month out of your budget. We've talked about budgets. You need to be doing a budget. Than it is to try and give them a lump sum at random times, because you might not have the lump sum you need, or you really want to contribute like you do giving them a little bit as you go along. For 2023, they have increased the HSA limits. For an individual, it will go up to $3,850, and for a family, it will go up to $7,750. So that's a nice jump for 2023. Get started. If you need help, in the description, I'm going to leave a link so you can contact me through my website. The other thing is, if you don't have a budget and need help getting one going, I will also share a link where you can sign up for my class that provides training on how to effectively establish a budget and reduce your expenses so you're on the pathway to financial freedom. Until next time, Charlie and I say, take care.